Well, hello there, kids. Today I'm going to show you how to do the King Air dive. What's the King Air dive, you might ask? Well, that's what I call the method I use to stick my head between the rudder pedals of these pieces of shit to preemptively give myself back problems later in life. Today I'm changing this air-driven attitude indicator because it's not 2023, it's actually 1942. My panel here, the third section panel, it's about as useful as tits on a nun because you get left about half an inch of extra wire looms to pull it out. So you got to do the dive to get to the back of this unit here to get it out. Before we get going too crazy, it's a good idea to have a look at your center pedestal to see which switch you can break while you do this. They conveniently put the CLT switch right here, so that's also gonna make this more interesting. You're really not gonna want to touch this pedestal unless you want to see a Hercules fly over you later. So I'm gonna have to be extra careful about that. Thank you for putting that in such an awesome kickable spot. Thank you. Good job, guys. Put my right cheek on here. Oh, stretch your neck because the suck is about to start. And then turn the control column and kick your feet to the frickin' sky. And I put my head between the column and the breaker panel. Oh my god, my back. Oh. Oh. Just like that. Easy. Easy. Here's a first person shot of what we're dealing with here. Well, that's my crotch, but come under here. Make sure you put your safety squints on. You'll get dust in your eyes too through the camera. I gotta shove that stupid steam-driven gauge way up there. Hook up those two lines through this rat's nest here. But you know what they say about working on King Airs? They say you'll never go hungry. And that's because there's a lot of them to eat. Oh. Perfect. Just a big ball of dust in the eye just now. Cool. This is the part where I could really use a hand. I don't like trying to find the holes in the dark. Alright, I think I got her by the nuts. Plug it in. Okay. Now, to come out, reverse the procedure. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. It's like being birthed again. Oh. That's all there is to her, boys and girls. I don't know why anyone complains about doing this. Yeah, King Airs are awesome. Yeah.